Okay, so now we're in our dashboard. This is where a lot of the changes take place. So let's, first thing we're going to do is we're going to add a new theme to our website. Okay, I just downloaded a basic theme, but I'm going to install what's called the Vantage theme. And before I do that, let me just give you a bonus. When we installed this WordPress, we logged in to our dashboard from our control panel. But now I'm going to show you how to log into your dashboard from anywhere on the internet. You type in your domain name, type in /WP-admin, and that will take, oops, I think I put too many, oh no, it worked. And that will take you to your dashboard. So let me go ahead and log out. Okay, I'm going to log out. And the cool thing about installing WordPress is you can design your website from anywhere on the that has internet access. So I'm going to log out on purpose, okay? And we're going to close this. All right. So now when I type in the web browser, pastordre.com/WP-admin, it's going to ask me for username and password. Okay? You want to store this information so you can have access to it. Remember, our username was what? Admin. Yours may be something different. Our password, mine was password1! So anywhere that has internet access, I can log into my dashboard and make changes to my website. That's too cool. So here's our dashboard. So let's go ahead and install a theme. I'm going to go to Appearance, and we're going to click Themes. We're going to go to Add New, and the theme that I'm going to be working with to update my website is the Vantage theme. So I'm going to go ahead and type in Vantage. I love this theme. It's off the hook. See where it says, now I'm going to install it. You're going to click Install. Alright, so this is going to install a new theme to our website. Right now our website looks like this. Okay, but let's go ahead and install our new theme. We're going to, after you're done installing it, it's going to say Activate. You want to click Activate. Okay, let's go ahead and let it activate. Okay, now it's installed. So let's go ahead and refresh our website and let's see how this new theme looks. There it is. There's the theme we just installed. Isn't that awesome? One step closer to designing your own website. So now what we're going to do is I would recommend you to get the Vantage theme Premium. I mean, all they ask for is a donation. That's it. That's all they ask for. $1, $5, $10, and it just adds so many more features to your website. I've already bought it, so I'm going to type in my code and enable upgrade. I would really recommend you. I mean, all they ask for is a donation. $1, $5, $10. It's worth about $100, to be honest. Update theme, and we're going to click OK. All right. So now we have installed a new theme to our website. Now let's get into adding some good stuff to the theme. Stay tuned for the next lecture.